Assalamualaikum friends, here is photo effect for Photoshop. Here is two different files, one is preview and next is PSD. For Photoshop you can adjust your own photo. Same thing here. Here is two folder, total size is 3.63 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. These files are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, buy now for lifetime, and iPhone users can contact me on my WhatsApp number. And here is my Facebook page, you can follow. And last is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK official. Subscribe me, and I will provide every notification of video first here. Okay, open this one. First you see preview, and next is PSD. For example, I open this one. This one. Okay, now we need image. Double click here and open any photo, like this one. Drag here. Oh, you need high definition photo. Control S. You see here our photo in this. Control X. Updating smart object. Wait. Okay. You see now. Here is a mirror style. Here is a paint effect. Open this one, double click here, paint effect. Control S. Wait, updating smart object. Here is many different other files. Guild. Here is a photo effect, dual lighting, lens photo effect, and here is a paper. Wow, you see here you can remove label. No, here is a just paper. I know you can do easily. Just import your photo, press Ctrl S for saving. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care, love.